Okay, hey, it's yet another Let Me Get Real with You product demo with my new wall breaker appliance making cream of mushroom. So here we go. Let me show you the ingredients. It's that simple. So here we are, the star of the cream of mushroom, the butter mushroom. You may also, mix it up with Swiss brown mushroom if you like that. So own your recipe. So this is my recipe. I'm using the butter mushroom wash. You don't have to spend time cutting it. Leave it to the wall breaker. So it's the same for the onion. I de-skin it. Yeah. Okay. I'm using the red onion for this instant. You may use the yellow ones, the white ones. It's up to you. It's your recipe. You decide. So next, I love the buttery, fragrant type of flavor. So I'm adding a thick flaps of this grass-fed butter. Okay, grass-fed butter for better nutritional benefits. And I also prepared for myself the cashew nut and the walnut. I mentioned before in the other videos that this is okay. I have to pause for a while because I do not want to fight my voice with the airplane flying by in the sky right now. Okay, so as I was saying, I prepare for myself these nuts, right? I have the organic walnut and the cashew nut, right? Well, the reason for that is to create that nutty, foamy, flavor in my cream of mushroom. Okay, that's one of the secret, right? And of course, the milk. Well, you don't have to go for low-fat milk. You can go for the full cream ones. It's really up to you. This is what I have available now, so I'm using this. And of course, we add in a little bit of salt, right? In the wall breaker later on, which you will get to see. And of course, make sure, okay, we go for the sea salt, right? Sea salt or the Himalayan salt. Don't go for the trashy table salt, right? It's no good for you. Go for the sea salt for the additional health benefits. Let's go to the wall breaker now. Right, there you have it, all the ingredient in that I've shown you earlier, right, in this clip, right, all in, right, and then now we can proceed with the blending first, okay, by wall. Okay, it's that simple. Now the power is on. See the blinking, press on the lightly tap on the start button, right, all lighted up the menu, right, first up, touch the menu button. So as you can see, when you go for each selection, right, the selected one will be blinking. We're not going for that yet. So I will be going for the wall breaking first, right? You see the wall broken selection, 60 seconds. Let's go. Press start, and the blending will go very fast. Right? See, 60 seconds, okay? We will be right back after the blend. So this is how it's going to look like when the blending is completed. Now we are ready for the cooking. Anyway, in a commercial kitchen, right, as a chef assistant, I can tell you this is another secret, right, when it comes to making soup, right? We blend all the ingredients first before we proceed with the cooking, right? So that's secret number two. The secret number one is having the nuts for that foamy, right, foamy look, right, for your soup. Okay, now we are back here with right, all the menu highlighted. Now we're going to select the soy milk, right? Okay, the soy milk, and then okay, this is going to start. It takes about approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And this right now it's still cold. The heater inside will start to warm up the entire thing, and it will slowly turn up the temperature and to start boiling the mixture. Okay, and we will come back once the soup is done later on, right? So a small note, right? As you can see, recommended, right? If this is going to whatever that you're making is actually with a certain high temperature, is recommended. This is the maximum, right? The where all your ingredient, will be, right? Of course, on top here is actually the foam, right? You can see I already, whatever that I have put in the milk, right? As this is the mark it is. Okay, if it's a cold drink that you're making, well, here's the other mark. All right, okay. Well, now you see, right, it's actually quite hot. There's a high temperature when I, use the back of my hand to touch it. So be very careful when you're making this. And at the same time, when we select this menu to start the cooking, right, it will also go on to stir up the entire mixture. So it is actually normal when there's a slight, from time to time, there's some blending going on while cooking this, as you can see from this demo, right? Okay. Okay, so while waiting for the mushroom soup to be ready, right? Let me give you a little bit of tips for wellness, right? In using food, right? In using food for your nutrition. Right, take for example, yeah, why we chose ingredient like grass-fed butter rather than some cheaper version of the butter. The reason is for grass-fed butter, right? The main thing about the butter is for the good fats, right? Good fats. That's the reason. You don't want those trashy fats that come from, for example, from the vegetable oil. These are trash oil, which is no good for your system. It will clog your uh, arteries and stuff like that when you take it too often. right? So that's the reason you want a good fat, right? Don't be afraid of good fats like grass-fed butter, because for a healthy body to function properly, right, the more you need to have good fats in your system. So do not be afraid of having good fats. So grass-fed butter is one very good example to have that in your as part of your meal plans. And the other tip I can give you, as I have mentioned earlier on, right? We are putting in sea salt. In the same way, don't be afraid to take good salt, good quality salt, like sea salt, Himalayan salt, not the trashy, cheap, table salt, which it is stripped of all the nutritional values during the processing, and what's left with is just high sodium. That's why it was made the demon, right? The salt is being made the demon to make you afraid that you cannot take too salty food. That's not true at all. That's not true at all. Okay, you need good quality salt in your system for your body to function properly as well, right? Because of the sodium, you need that too. You cannot totally abstain from it. Your body system will break down. You can't. So it is again like just like fats, just like salt. These are being demonized, right? Well, because this is a food industry, right, and big pharma conspiracy. Okay, that's the truth about it. So go and learn more about it. Okay, I hope these two tips helps you that you don't need to be afraid of good fats and good quality salt. Okay, there you have it. It's ready. And here we are. Very thick, foamy cream of mushroom. Okay, go with your croutons. Okay, it will be even better. That is my homemade croutons with my air fryer. So I'm gonna put that one in. Right. Okay, so enjoy your cream of mushroom.